Welcome to itdesk.tv. Now, as we continue our series on Python, we're going to be exploring today files. We're going to be exploring how to create a file, how to write to the file, how to append the file by adding additional information to the file, and so forth. So here we go, we're going to delve right into it. It's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to show you that the knowledge from other programming language can easily transition into Python. Alright, so we go on the screen. The first thing we want to do is want to create a file variable. So let's just say it's f. Open. And we want to say, what do we want to open? The file is at C. I have a location here on my computer. Let me just pull it up. I have it called C Python. I'm going to put a file in there called C new. So I'm going to put this in there. Alright, so I'm going to say Python, and I'm going to call the file new.txt. So I'm just going to write to a text file. I'm going to open the file in write mode. W is write mode means if the file is not there, as you can see, there was no file here called new.txt. So if it works, it should create the file. So I'm going to say f dot close. I'm going to close it. I'm just going to create the file, and then I'm going to close the stream. So I'm going to run that first and go look, and there the file is there. It's been created. Alright, so it created the file just fine. Alright, so we're good so far. I'm just going to make a few adjustments now to the code and see if I can, add lines to it and so forth. So I'm going to say, I'm going to append to this file that I just created. Okay. And I'm going to say the same f dot write. I'm going to put a couple lines into the file. So the first line I'm planning to put is first line in the file, and I want to use what's called a new line character to create a next line. I'm going to say f dot write, just putting another line. I'm going to call this second line in the file. I'm going to put the new line character again to create it's like you pressing the enter key. That's a new line. Now after I'm done, I'm just going to close it again. Let's see what happens here. So we run it. Good. So I don't know as yet, because I don't want to go and open the file as yet. I would like to open the file from here in the program. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to come here now, and I'm going to say change this to read. The R, I just want to read the file. But now I'm not writing anything new to the file. I just want to see what the contents are. So I'll use the print function because I want to display it to the screen. f.read, and that should technically show me what's in the file. And if it does, and there it is. So first line in the file, second line in the file. So I just read the contents of the file. Now, this is consistent with all the other object-oriented languages of this nature. The C language, the syntax is very similar. The C++, the C#, the PHP type systems, .NET, it's a similar structure, the file structure and so forth. So I was able to do that. If I would like to add a third line to this file, again, the A means append, so I don't want to delete what's in the file. I just want to add something new to the file. So f.write. I want to add the third line in the file. Alright, I'm just adding a third line. I always put a new line after. I just want to always create a new line. That's just something I do by habit. So that's the third line, and whenever you do that, you should close the stream. Whenever you open the stream for writing anything to it, whether it's brand new write or it's an append, after you do that, I always close the stream. So there's closed. I comment this piece out again, and then I move up to here, and I just want to print f.read, and I want to read the contents of the file, and if it works, it should show me. Oh, it didn't. Okay, so why did it not show me the read this time? Can anyone identify why? It's easy. So right here, I have it in append mode. I need to change it to read mode. So open the file in read mode, then I'll be able to print the contents that's there. I always say that programming requires a calm and logical mindset, because a program not working or a piece of code crashing is a natural part of the process. So we don't try to hide it here. If we're doing something on the channel and it didn't work, we identify what it is, we calmly look at the code logically, why did it not work, and we're able to show you. So what have we done today? We have created a file, we have put content in the file, we added additional lines to the file, and we have read the contents into Python. You can use this. Go ahead and try that in your programming and let us know how it pans out. See you next time. itdesk.tv, unlocking doors.